welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take you along with us today. A day in the life video. So today we're going to have a fun day, So we're going to go to the zoo. You want to go to the zoo? Well, tag along with us and I hope you enjoy. We're all buckled in and ready to go. You ready to go, Jack? Can you say hi? Hi. Good boy. We made it to the zoo. Are you excited, Jack? You can see the elephants? Yeah. So we'll film while we're in, but we just want to let you know that we have arrived. Say, well, let's go.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But it's been a while since that happened, knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me, yeah you do. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again, just give me goosebumps. Follow wherever your heart wants to be. I'll try to keep up in your shadow, feeling good. And if we move too fast, I will tell you. I'll ask you to stop, but I won't. The way that we both feel about this just means go. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again, just give me goosebumps.
Okay, we are back in the car now after our zoo trip. Our zoo isn't very big, so it doesn't take us long to get through. Plus this morning, probably just shy of half the animals weren't really out or, exploring. So we saw actually ones that we didn't get to see last time, so Jack was very excited. The tiger was actually talking to him. So he's actually tired now. It is about almost 11 o'clock, so it's about time for his nap. So we are going to head home and put him down from a nap, and then you get to see what I do during the day while he naps. Okay, we finally made it back home. We had a few pit stops that we unfortunately had to make on the way home. So Jack did get a little bit of sleeping down in the car, so he's probably going to be up and playing for a little bit. But I am still going to try to get some stuff done while he plays in his room. Now today I just need to pick up a little bit. The dogs have made a little bit of a mess. As you can tell, someone got upset that we left them at home today. So I need to clean that up. I need to put away all of the things on the counters. My husband decided to make milkshakes last night, so there's a little bit of a mess. I need to change my sheets in my room and pick up my room. And then I need to change Jack's sheets and also wash his clothes and bedding. So that's what the rest of our day looks like. So let's get into it.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view of the window. Your lips taste a clean from your toothpaste. Spend time counting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both keeping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach, laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time.
Okay, everyone, we just finished dinner and bath time. So now we are going to unwind for the night. So I hope you enjoyed tagging along with us for the day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from us, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.